Stewart Connector's SealJack portfolio is designed for connectivity outside the typical office environment, such as outdoor IoT, industrial, military, and marine applications. The portfolio includes the SealJack cable applied series of IP67 rated pre-assembled RJ45 cable assemblies in shielded or unshielded configurations. The cable assemblies are available with Cat5e or Cat6 cabling, support PoE+, and use a circular bayonet style coupling for consistent sealing and easy installation. SealJack RJ45 modular jacks have an IP67 sealed housing and gasket for front or rear panel mounting. The jacks are compact, lightweight design, support up to 10G base T Ethernet and PoE+, and are available in a single port vertical or 4-port vertical harmonica jack configuration.